Okay, Virginia. I'm not sure if it's West Virginia, but I think it's the Virginia State. Well, good afternoon. I can just about hear you. I'm running the video gate here at the moment, and as I say, it's very, very difficult to hear anything there. The needle's right up into the back of the radio at the moment. So, Virginia State, I think I've talked with you before, but I don't think I can carry on the contact because it is rough on the receive here. Very, very strong conditions here today here in North Ireland. So with that, good numbers, and we'll get a copy on you again. Cheers and beers. Bye bye. Alright, Joe, did you say your number? He says 251 251 in Virginia State, Roger? Okay, we're taking a stab at it because it's difficult there. I think you said 2, 5 and a 1 in the state of Virginia, is that correct, Roger?
How about that Northern Ireland? How about that Northern Ireland? You got a copy of the triple nickel? Rooster, yeah, we
Okay, Virginia State, well, as I said, it's rough and tough there, and I thought I heard you said 251, 251, but we're not sure. It's rough on the earlugs here in North Ireland, so good evening to you, or sorry, good afternoon to you. It's coming up on quarter to 5. It's coming up on quarter to 5 here in the afternoon. All the best down to you there in the state of Virginia. 306 off the key. Bye bye. I thought I heard Red Rooster out there in the United States. Good evening from Northern Ireland. We're trying.
Beers in Northern Ireland. You got a copy on 298 southeastern Pennsylvania.
298. You're top of the pile at the moment. Very strong. No problems copying your station here in the Keystone State. 298. 306 306. Returning your call, Roger. Okay, 289 in the Keystone. Very, very strong at the moment. They're doing a great job. Like I said, you're top of the pile. 289 in the Keystone. 306 here, 35 miles from the city of Belfast. 35 miles from the city of Belfast, Roger. Okay, way down south of Philadelphia, way down to Philly, there in the United States. Like I say, your shouting choice. Personal here, by the way, is John, Juliet Oscar, Hotel November. The operator's name is John, Roger.
Well, isn't that funny? Same thing over here. Operator is John, 298, Southeastern Pennsylvania.
Okay, it's getting a popular name. It is getting a popular name there, no doubt, by John, so it is there. But like I said, a while ago there, we just couldn't hear anything on this channel. It was completely chopper blocked there, and I couldn't make head nor tail of any station coming through there. So, like I said, you're top of the pile at the moment there. So I'll not keep you too long. The radio here is a Cobra 2000, and the power is a 60 watts, and the microphone is a D104, and it's going into a Moonraker phone, the flat side, 35 feet off the ground. Roger. 289 in the Keystone, 289 in the Keystone. 306 Northern Ireland, we're still trying, Roger. Okay, John, all the best to you, boy. 289 in the Keystone State. And we'll try and get a copy again from 306 here in North Ireland. All the best for now. God bless. Bye-bye.
How about that 306? You got a copy on a 308? Just wanted to say hello there, John. 306, 34 Florida said hello. We just wanted us to get in there and say hello real quick, and we're going to get back on the limb and say good afternoon. Bye-bye.
Okay, 34 in the Sunshine State, 34, 3 and a 4, Sound and Choice, Top Shelter. Good morning to you down there in the United States. I guess it's coming up near midday. It's almost 5 p.m, 5 bells here in the afternoon on your Sound and Choice. All the good numbers to you. 34 there in the state of Florida. And thanks for the call. Cheers and beers. Bye-bye. Okay, I think you said the person is Charles. I think you said the operator's name there is Charles, and the numbers is 34 in Florida. So all the best there, 34. We'll get a copy again, 306 North Ireland off the key. Bye-bye. Good afternoon to you, 207 in the United States of America. 207 in the United States. Good afternoon from Northern Ireland, Roger. 207, 207 stateside, 207 stateside. 306 Northern Ireland, 306 Northern Ireland call. don't know where you got to, 207. Don't know where you got to, 306. 306, Northern Ireland. We're going to try it again for you there. We're not sharing your location, but good afternoon from North Ireland. Go ahead, sir. Your turn, Roger. Where are you at there? 206. I can hear you in the background. 206 or something like that. I forgot your numbers because I haven't written it down here. Go ahead there. 206 or 3 or 5 or something like that. Go ahead. Your turn, Roger. Okay, well, you're not just coming out of the noise level at the moment there. We're getting about a plus 30 there, plus 30, and it's rough and tough on the earlobe. So, good evening to you, and we'll get a copy again from 306 here in North Ireland. All the best for now. Bye-bye. Okay, Charles at 34 Florida. I couldn't hear out. He wasn't coming in that great there, Charles. You say he was in Michigan State. Michigan, Roger.
Congratulations, 207. You made it to Ireland. John, this is 34 Orlando, Florida. But the gentleman was talking to 207. He's barefooted radio in North Maine Woods up there, almost against we're clear.
Okay, Charles. 34 in Florida, Orlando, Florida. He's up there in the Pine Tree State. There. No problem on that barefoot radio. 100%. He was hitting me about a 9 plus 10. A 9 plus 10. I guess you gotta be happy with that, but it takes a lot more at the moment there, the way the conditions is running, and everybody else is coming back a lot stronger there. So tell that 207 we're waving a hand at him there across the pond from 306, and we did hear him here. So all the best to you at 34, and thanks for the 10-5 there, Roger.
Roger on that. Congratulations there, 207. You made it to Ireland, 306. John over there in Ireland, thank you for passing the 5. He's listening to you. He's hearing everything you say. I'm going to get back in the tree and be quiet and let them guys up there get back to you. John, see you later. Bye-bye.
Okay, Charles, 34 in the Sunshine State, Florida. All the best. We'll get a copy again. I'll be logged down here, so I'll know who it is the next time I'm talking with you there. So all the best, Charles. Have a nice day. God bless. 306 North Ireland back on the side. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
207 out there in the Pine Tree State. Like I said, we did hear you, and we're running the video gate at the moment there. Run the video gate there, and I can just about hear you in the background there. So, okay there, 207 out there in the Pine Tree State. All the best for now from 306 here in Northern Ireland. We're back on the side. All the best. Bye-bye.
I copy a new breaker. Yeah, I heard you real quick. You sounded good when nobody else came up. You take care. It was nice talking to you, Arkansas. Have a good one.
How about it stateside? How about it stateside? North Ireland, Northern Ireland call. Good afternoon, 808. I think it's 808. I think it's Canada, we're not sure. We'll try it again for 808, and somewhere out there I believe it's Canada. Go ahead, Roger. Okie doke, 808 Ontario, 808 Ontario, Canada from 306 in North Ireland. Okie doke, we'll get back to you in a short, Roger.